Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve objective part of CSS Economics paper 1 of the year 2026. As long as the principle of diminishing marginal utility is operating, increased consumption of a good lowers marginal utility but may raise total utility. Cardinal utility theory assumes that consumers can determines the number of utils derived from consuming goods. Suppose a good has an income elasticity of demand of minus 0.2. This means the good is inferior. Suppose firm XYZ receives $15 per unit. Its average variable cost is $12 and its average total cost is $17. In the short run, this firm should continue producing. Which of the following is not a characteristic of perfect competition? There are externalities. The conditions necessary for a firm to be able to price discriminate include all of these. A is segmentable markets. B is differences in price elasticity of demand among segments. C is the inability of customers to transfer products. A monopsony is the sole buyer of some type of input. Which event shifts the short-run aggregate supply SRA is curve to the right? A decrease in oil prices. A transfer payment is a payment with no goods or services exchanged. Which of the following statements is true about a trade deficit? Net exports are negative. Which of the following is not a reason why the aggregate demand curve slopes downward? The classical monetary neutrality effect. Stagflation occurs when the economy experiences rising prices and falling output. In the IS-LM model, an increase in tax rates should shift the IS curve left. What causes the LM curve to shift downward? The money supply increases. A rough measure of the degree of economic interdependence of a nation is given by the percentage of a nation's imports and exports to its GDP. If a nation's taste for its imported commodity increases, the nation's terms of trade deteriorate. If with an increase in income, the percentage of income collected as tax remains constant, the tax is called proportional. The term economic growth can be explained by all of these. A is structural changes in the economy. B is increase in per capita production. C is increase in per capita income. What does the equation of exchange in the quantity theory of money equate? Total value of purchases to the money supply times velocity. What is the primary focus of the human development approach? Enlarging people's choices and capabilities. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.